In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Drawboard PDF. Now, the first thing you can do, in case you have one of their premium plans, you could go and click on this plus button over here to add a tool, and then in here search for snapshot, okay? So snapshot will basically, if I click on it over here, I don't have it, but what this will do here, it's going to allow you to cut or copy PDF content. Now, of course, you can do that to kind of use this for cropping. However, you also have a bunch of different options. So, for example, if you are trying to basically crop an image, which you put in here, let me actually just quickly screenshot something here on my mother. There we go. And if I, for example, have an image over here, this is just some blank coloring, but still I can click on it, and to crop it, I can just use these rectangles over here at the bottom, top, left, and right hand of the image, and I can go ahead and just basically drag this in like that, like this, and as you can see, I'm currently cropping that specific image or object that you have in here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.